What's up, guys, and good afternoon from the Philippines. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that 91,000. 9,000 more away from 100,000. So anyways, guys, thank you for all your constructive criticisms on the last video. I don't mind constructive criticism. You know, the GoPro 10, I was using that to film. It's just the GoPros are not designed for low light like that. They're great during the day. The stabilization is great. You know, people said, did you have your stabilizer on? It was kind of weak. It was kind of jumpy. It was blurry. Everything was set. The stabilizer was on everything. It's not a great camera for filming at night. The DJI I have is a little bit better. Because it has the gimbal on the camera, so it is a little bit better. Actually, my phone does a lot better videoing at night in low light situation. The only thing is I got to walk around with a gimbal, and it's kind of big and bulky, so I kind of stay away from that. The better camera that I had, notice I said had, was a Canon G7X Mark II, but I had a problem with it. There was problems with it. When I put a battery in, it wasn't turning on. It was just becoming a headache, so I retired it. But that was a great low light camera. But anyways, thanks for all your criticism, constructive criticism. And if there is anybody out there that is using the GoPro 8, 9, or 10, and you video at night, man, let me know in the comments what you set it at. Because I've tried all kinds of settings, and I can't get it. Just doesn't seem to work. Like I said, if you video with the GoPro 10 and you videoed at night and got decent quality, leave the comments below and let me know what you have it set at. So anyways, guys, you know what? Monday, you know how they say like Mondays are they're not good. Mondays are not a good day. Monday morning this morning was not a good morning. Once again, should I say once? Yeah, I guess I could say once again, we have lost another family member. One of our four-legged family members we've lost. You know, I get up this morning, as I always do, and every time I pull out in the morning, I always look to see where the animals are. And I always know kind of much their routine. B2 and Bachoy are always inside, and I always see him when I come out. Rocky, he kind of hangs out by the wet kitchen. Sometimes he's in, sometimes he's out, but I always see him. And then the two cats, you got Mama Earl and Mooning. I always look for them because I know cats like to hide under cars. So this morning I got out and they were over here. And let me show you where they were at. Got out. Came out here. Mama Earl was just kind of laying right here. Mooning was laying underneath, and I could see him, and there was another cat, I think it was Mooning's girlfriend, was under there. So I always shoo him away. You know, I'm always like, get out, you know, get out. And they always run away, and they get out of the way and everything like that. So I backed out, and I backed out slowly, and I went to turn, and I felt a thud under my tire. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you're anywhere where you have squirrels that run around the street, you know how squirrels are. They get out in the street and they don't know if they're going left, right, up, down, whatever, you know, and you drive and, you know, you try to avoid them. And if you do accidentally clip one, you can feel it under your tire. Well, I felt a thud under my tire. I'm like, oh, what was that? And I looked out, and poor Mooning, Mama Earl's baby, I seen take off running, jump up on the wall here and run in. And I'm like, oh man. And I thought to myself, well, I might have taken 8 out of its 9 lives. I'll find out when I get back. And it bothered me. And somebody might say, well, you should have got out and checked. No, cats will run and they will hide when they're hurt. If you have cats, you know what I'm talking about. So I got back, parked, and came in, and well, it's like, Well, I said to Lud, I said, how's Mooning? And she's like, Mooning died. I'm like, ah, man. You know, internal injuries. You know, I felt bad. I still feel bad. But lost another one. Here, let me show you Mama Earl here. You gotta check out Mama Earl. She's all curled up in this little plant of Lud's. Mama Earl, just sleeping. So anyways, now we have, let me show you. Now we have another, this is our pet cemetery out here. It's our pet cemetery. I think we got Liberty's buried out here. Mama Earl's 2 little tiny kittens that didn't make it are buried out here. Another kitten of Mama Earl's that, when we had our store, ran out in the middle of the street and got hit is buried out here. A little bird that died out here under the car part is buried out here. So this is like our little pet cemetery. But yeah, I mean, I feel bad. I feel bad. You know, we have the 2 rescue dogs, Rocky and B2. They're our rescue dogs. We rescued them from the shelter. And then we have, you know, Bachoya we bought. Mama Earl showed up at our store one day and we just kind of took her in. She's had multiple litters of kittens. My buddy Denny has one of the kittens, and, you know, it's probably the most spoiled cat in all of the city here. And the other kittens, we've given them away and stuff. But yeah, wasn't a good Monday morning. So anyways, guys, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you guys what I mean. This evening, I'm going to go up into a low light area up the road here and stuff. And I'm going to use my cell phone camera. My cell phone camera, like I said, does an amazing job, I think, filming at night. I will put it on the same exact settings as when I filmed up on Walking Street, 4K, 30 frames per second, and I'm going to show you the difference. So I guess we'll head up there when it gets dark, and I'll show you around and show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so now this is the part of the video where I need your help, or I need your thoughts of what you think. I am up here right now. It's dark out. I'm using the camera right now, my Samsung Galaxy S20, and that's what I'm going to film in. And then later on I'll switch over to the DJI. What I want to know is, which is better, the DJI or the Samsung Galaxy S20? Let me flip this over. Here we go. This is MacArthur Highway. Straight ahead is the entrance to Walking Street near the McDonald's. We're not going that way. We are going to walk this way. Let me see. There's a bigger, that's a wider angle. Let's walk this way and get a idea of what you think, and tell me which one is better. Low light situation. Like I said, I apologize for the poor quality of the GoPro. Same low light as tonight, and the bouncing around. Like I said, I had the stabilizer on. I'm using the DJI handheld stabilizer. I do have a stabilizer on my phone, but when I switch over, what it does is it won't allow me to film in 4K 30 frames per second, which I'm using right now. So we're just going to cruise down here. There's a little bakery. They got good bakery stuff in there. Different stuff, cupcakes, and people are there outside to show you. My problem is this handheld gimbal is funny. It's one of those things you got to get used to it. But once again, it's the low light, as you can see. This is the same street that our store used to be on, but down a little bit further. All right, let me stop, let them go by. But how do the oranges look? Do they look nice? The colors look good? Look at this gimbal. I'm just not a big fan of the gimbal. Oh, hang on. There is a lock. on it that locks the gimbal in place.
What's up?
Hey, there we go.
Hello, sir.
Chicken, pork, fish. Look, fish. You got your rice and eggs. You got security. Hello.
Hello.
Looks good. All fresh. Hello, hello. There's your chicken. Your fried chicken. Yeah. Not for me. You see, you got to walk on the street because, once again, the motorbikes are all over the sidewalk. So now we're getting down here a little bit further, and the lighting is a little bit lower than up the road there where we just came from. Man, it looks like something's on fire down here. Smoke just pouring into the road, you can see that. What's smoking down here? A barbecue lit? What's smoking down here? Barbecue? Well, we'll find out. We'll walk down here, then we'll cross the street, flip over to the DJI. This is new on the right, isn't it, Lut? This milk tea and coffee shop, that's new, isn't it? Is that new? That used to be a pizza joint, isn't it?
It's Italian.
Yeah, now it's milk tea. Oh, you already videoed that? See, now we can get on the sidewalk. There's the old Chucks to go. All right, guys, we're about at the 5-minute mark on the Samsung Galaxy. So let me know what you think. I'm going to switch over to the DJI. All right, guys, I switched over now to the DJI Pocket 2. Same settings. 4K, 30 frames, 4K 30. And we're going to see how this if it films any better at night than the phone and the GoPro. Here's where all that smoke is coming from. The old barbecue chicken. Looks good. Smells good. What is it, Lut? Manganasal. What's manganasal? Chicken ingasal. All right. What's the difference between that and barbecue chicken? What is the difference?
Because barbecue chicken has a different marination.
Oh, it's in marinade. It does smell good. All right, let's see how we... Look, tell me, guys, let me know what you think. Which one is better? There's another barbecue chicken. There's another one. What's that, pork? Pork, yeah. Smells good. Yeah. Pork barbecue. That's what it is. It's pretty warm. There's the famous stop sign that nobody stops at. It's been in my videos in the past. I know somebody is going to tell me, you should walk on the other side street on the oncoming traffic. You're right, I should. There's your trike lines down, not this street. Yeah. Oh, gotta weave in and out of here. Oh, yeah, run me over. Oh, yeah, I love it. Now we're getting up in an area where there's a lot more lighting up here. Oh, you can smell the little market there, the fresh meat. There's your bananas. They look, or your bananas, your oranges. They look good. Look good. Yeah. Oh yeah, little camera. Got his eggs. 9 pesos, $1.95 a tray. Is that large ones there? Look, large eggs.
Yeah.
pretty good price. 5 pesos for the small ones.
Yeah, but that's like a quail egg.
Yeah. The little eggs are like a quail egg. They're very small. All right,
Hello.
buddy. Hello. Hey, buddy. All right. Oh, thank you. Now over here, you do have a little sidewalk that you can at least walk on. The reason it's like that over there is because all your little vendors. People just park on the street there. Yeah, some of these stores are getting renovated. There's your...
This one is our
Your what?
parlor.
That's your parlor? All right, here we go. Here's the trike line.
Couple of months.
Here's the trike line. Down through there. This bakery, no?
No.
All right, it's been there a while. I thought it was new. A little low on stock, huh? A little low on stock. Low on stock, huh? Low on stock, not many. That's all right. Tomorrow, right? More. All right. That's been there. Hello. That one's been there. Mr. Donut has been there for a while. Now this is new, right? Look, or fairly new. Or has it always been here? I don't know. I can't even remember if it's new or if it's not new. And here's your little store. And this used to be the burger joint on the corner here, but it's no longer there. It hasn't been there for a while. It's more of a like a little store. You can see. Let's turn up this way and walk up this way for a little bit. Check out the lighting. You know, right across the street there. You can't. This won't pick it up. Kind of like right there. What is that? It's like an outside cafe or something?
Yeah.
I'll have to get over there one of these days and check it out. But that's new over there. Crispy pata. Nope, don't step on the bed. That's somebody's bed. Don't step on that, bud. No. All right, guys, we're at the 5 minute mark. Let me flip this around here. All right, guys, so there it is. Let me know what you think. This is where I need your help. Tell me what you think. The phone was better or the DJI was better? Downside with the phone is I hate walking around with that gimbal. I mean, it just sticks out like a sore thumb. The DJI Pocket is a lot smaller. So let me know what you think. Leave the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Leave the comments below. Share with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know. Let me know how I'm doing. And tomorrow's a new day, and we'll see you then.